Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I like to show you how to create a WeChat account on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, launch App Store. Tap on search button. On the search box, type WeChat. Download and install WeChat app on your iPhone. After download, you can launch WeChat app by tap on open button or tap on WeChat from your iPhone home screen. To create a new account, tap on sign up. Enter your full name, then select country, then enter your phone number. After adding your phone number, type a new password for WeChat account. Tap on next button, check the box and tap on next. For security verification, tap on start. Drag and fit the puzzle like this. You will receive a verification code in your phone number. Just enter the verification code on this box and tap on submit. That's it. WeChat account created. In this way, you can create a new WeChat account on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.